Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a poll on Zoom. So select new meeting first. Then to add in a poll, go to the more section. Then you're going to select polls and quizzes. Here you're going to then select create. And you're going to create the poll or the quiz or whatever. So for instance, I'm going to like add in like 1 plus 1. This is just a random quiz. Choice 1, 2, 5. Wait, that's 3. You can add more choices here. 3 and like 9. And you can also add questions. You can also make it as a required one. And you can even add an image here. I don't know like how you can do it if it's like the right or wrong question for like quiz. Oh, here, make it a quiz. And then please set answer. I'll select this one. Press done. And I'm just going to press save. And then I'm going to select save as meeting quiz. And that's how you can create polls and quizzes on Zoom. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.